What is up, Flowmies and homies? I'm Juliana, and today I'm here to teach you how to do the 6-beat color switch, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6-beat color switch, you want to know how to do a reverse figure 8. So to do the 6-beat color switch, first we're gonna toss the Flowstar onto this side, and we're gonna catch it from the inside. And so it'll be 1, and then we're gonna bring it down, 2, 3. So when I bring it out, my finger kind of like turns into a point. So I'm holding the Flowstar and I'm giving it a point to wrap around. So it looks like 1, 2, 3. So when I get down to that 3, my finger is up and my palm is pointed backwards. And the Flowstar is gonna do a complete wrap around my hand. So what this does is it reverses the direction of the Flowstar. And when it reverses the direction, it changes the color. So we're gonna catch it from the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we do that 6th beat, your hand should be tossing it with your palm facing forward. So again, we're catching it from the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of my favorite combos for this move is a down the shoulder roll into a 6-beat color switch and then back up the shoulder. So it'll look like this. And that is how you do the 6-beat color switch. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more. Happy flowing.